like me. Move like me. Gotta move like me. Move like me. I'm gonna bring the hair.
Foundation.
All the eyes on me. 1, 2, 3. My hips going left, going right. So the girls that you
Brow
can
shadow.
see.
Eyelashes. Eyeshadows. Lip gloss. Good job.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hey friends, look, we've got so many fruits today. Let's cut and taste them. Huh? Oh no, where are they going? There are no fruits left. Let's get them back. Oh, that's a nice puzzle. How about we put it together? We're done. Woohoo! And we get 2 fruits. This is an orange. Let's put it on the tray. The color orange was named after this fruit, guys. And these are grapes. They'll join the orange. Grapes are berries that grow on vines, and raisins are dried grapes. Pink, beige, green. Let's dig it up. We'll start with the pink sand. I think I found something. Look at this. What could it be? Guys, this fruit is a mangosteen. Let's put it on the tray, too. What's hiding in here? Do you see it? Let's check it out. It's celery. And finally, the green sand. Seems like there's nothing inside. Wrong, I see something green. Do you know what it is? Right, it's a kiwi. It's a bit sour, but very healthy. A kiwi has more vitamin C than an orange. This vitamin helps you fight off sickness. These little houses are so cute. Let's check who lives here. Look, guys, it's a frog. What's next? This one. I'm opening it. It's a cow. How about checking this house? There's a pig inside. Which house next? This one! Who could live here? Huh? What's this? It's just a brown ball. Hold up, I know. It was an avocado pit. Let's put it in its place. Avocados are called alligator pears because their skin looks like an alligator's. Next house. I picked this one. There's a dog inside. How about this one? I see. It's a duck. I'll check this house next. Wow, just look at this. It's a donkey. Knock, knock, who's inside? A sheep. Just a few houses left. There's a cute rabbit in this house. And the last one. Let's open it. Yes, it's our puzzle piece. It's a strawberry. It's time to get you back. Strawberries have about 200 seeds and are the only fruit with their seeds on the outside. Hey guys, let's put you into the basket. It's a tomato. This is a pumpkin. It's an eggplant. A zucchini. You know them, grapes. It's broccoli. This is a bell pepper. It's a carrot. Yep, this is a strawberry. And this is a banana. Woohoo! Another fruit. A banana. Where does it belong? Here. Bananas can make you happy, and they also float on water. Let's open these doors and sneak a peek inside. We've got keys. The yellow key for the yellow door. There's something inside. It's a watermelon. Next, this blue door. There's something blue inside. It's blueberry. The next door, we'll need the orange key. Let's check it out. It's an apricot. Sweet apricots are actually relatives of peaches and plums. What's hiding behind this door? I'll open it with the pink key. We know what it is. These are grapes. Another door to open, using the red key, of course. It's an apple, guys. Can you guess what's in there? Let's check. This fruit is called papaya. Looks like it has a star in the middle. Papaya grows in warm places and is sweet and orange.
Very famous, did you say?
Sorry, Lion, we already have a strong cat to do the job. Me.
And what are your strengths again exactly? Taking naps? You're hired.
Wonderful. Here, let me take care of those.
Well, I don't like that show-off.
Don't worry, Sir Kitty Cat. We're on your side.
I think he's cuddly, like a teddy bear. Yeah, he's just like a bear somehow, isn't he?
Your Majesty, it's time to welcome our guests.
Welcome, everyone, to Magicky's Open House. We have a wonderful day in store for you. After our picnic, we'll take you on a marvelous boat ride, and then we'll finish up with a sparkle flower
Oh,
Oh, Kitty Cat!
but it wasn't me, it was perfect.
Really? Now you're blaming it on the new royal guard? Perfect has been nothing but perfect.
Poor Sir Kitty Cat.
Perfect has been nothing but perfect. If only she knew. Ah! Hey, what are you doing?
Ah, look who it is. I guess you caught me sabotaging the boat.
I'm telling the Countess.
And I'll just tell her that you did it. Who do you think she's going to believe?
Oh, come back here, you lion!
So everybody gets on the royal barge, sails around the harbor, and then comes back. But where do the cuddles come? How about right now?
Oh, you're going to love this boat ride. So calm and relaxing. Good thing Kitty Cat is afraid of the water. This way he won't ruin the boat ride.
Come on, Sir Kitty Cat is our friend. Okay, Sherman, let's go. What's happening?
Something's wrong with the boat.
Now go save them, and you'll really win their trust.
I'll save you!
Thank you, guard. You saved us.
Anything for you, Your Highness.
Who needs help?
You! What are you doing with that wrench? Huh? Did you sabotage the boat?
No, it was perfect.
Now you've gone too far. First you sabotage the boat, then you blame it on perfect?
Kitty Cat, how could you? I had your back, Sir Kitty Cat, but this time you've gone too far.
But you have to believe me.
Enough! You are banished from the rest of the ceremony.
Banished?
And no cuddles for you. This is the worst open house Billy's ever had. I know. And soon that panda will bring us all their sparkle flowers.
It's outrageous. Everyone loves perfect, and no one believes me.
I believe you, Sir Kitty Cat.
Princess, thank you. I tell you, that teddy bear is behind all this.
Yes, he does look like a bear. A teddy bear, or maybe a panda bear.
That's it. He's a problem panda in disguise.
Sent by the twin princesses, no doubt.
Princess, it's my job as royal guard to protect you from their schemes. Please, let me do my job.
Of course, you go do what you think is right. I trust you.
That's the last box of sparkle flowers.
We're counting on you. The sparkle show has to be perfect. Perfect.
Don't worry, I'll be out in the harbor waiting for your signal to release the sparkle flowers into the sky.
Thank you. When I think of how Kitty Cat ruined the royal picnic.
And the boat ride.
Oh no, I don't believe it. Perfect?
Is a problem, Panda.
The twin princesses asked me to say thanks for all the sparkle flowers.
We were tricked, and now everything's ruined.
I'm not so sure. I think Sir Kitty Cat might just have a surprise plan for us. Come on.
I thought it might be a good idea to keep these sparkle flowers for us, you know.
Oh, thank you, Sir Kitty Cat.
We're sorry.
I should have trusted you. Can you ever forgive me?
Yeah, but only if from now on you call me perfect.
But if the boxes of sparkle flowers are here, then what are in the boxes the panda took?
Just some souvenirs to show the twins what I think of them.
Aha! The prettiest sparkle flowers in Magic Key, all for us.
thank you for always believing in me. We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. Truman is my best friend. He would never steal from me.
Thanks, Billy. You're right. I took your figurines home the other day to paint them for you. I was going to surprise you with them once we finished building the fort.
Oops. Sorry. Wow, Truman, they look brand new. Thanks. Let's play with them. You want to play too? Yes!